Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to do a walkthrough of a 2007 Timesavers 3-head 43-inch wide belt sander. If you have questions about pricing, availability, or if you have surplus machines you'd like to sell, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com. Also remember that all of our machines are located right here in Naperville, Illinois, and that we do not broker tools to ensure quality. We are also processing anywhere from 40 to 50 additional machines, so check back often as we do not list machines until they've been thoroughly cleaned and checked. Again, this is a 2007 Timesavers 2300 series 3-head 43-inch wide belt sander. It does have 4,034 hours on it. First thing we're going to look at, as it does have that auto calibration unit, you're simply going to come in here, hit your automatic setup button, the finger's going to drop down, and when that finger hits the material, it is going to be set. You do have a digital control on this machine, so you can simply come in here, hit program, hit 3.60, hit your enter, hit start, and it will go to the desired height. You do have all your other basic controls and load meters. We're coming to open this side up real fast. Your first head is a 25 horsepower 8-inch grooved helical head. Second is a 20 horsepower 8-inch grooved helical head. And third is a 5.5-inch 15 horsepower combination head. All the grooves are nice and deep. We did dress out all those drums. They are defect free. It does come with two platens. There's one platen up in the top left right over here. And then there is one also in the machine. We did replace the conveyor, so it does have a brand new conveyor on this machine. Everything functions as it should. We are going to go ahead and start up those heads real fast. Slowest speed. Finally, we're going to jog it at the fastest speed. As you can hear, all the brakes engaged. We did take the two top safeties out for the purposes of this video. Those will be reinstalled upon shipping. Again, a nice, clean, fully operational 3-head 43-inch wide belt sander by Timesavers 2300 series with 4,034 hours on it. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.